Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money to Crypto.com from Bank of America step by step. So step number one is set up fiat wallet in Crypto.com. So you just have to open the Crypto.com application on your mobile, then go to the accounts tab, usually at the bottom. Then you just have to tap on fiat wallet, then tap on set up new currency. So it depends on you, but for this example, we're going to be using USD. So you just have to choose USD as your fiat currency if it's not already selected. For step number two is choose a deposit method. So Crypto.com supports ACH transfer, which is free and slower. And for wire transfer, it is faster. It may have a fee. So for Bank of America, you just have to use wire transfer for a more reliable experience. Step number three is get the wire transfer details. So tap on transfer, deposit, and then fiat. Then you just have to use the USD. So you just have to select wire transfer, so Swift or Fedwire. So Crypto.com will show you the bank details like routing number, account number, and beneficiary name. So just an important note, the beneficiary name must match your name on your Bank of America account. Step number four is log in to Bank of America. So go to the Bank of America website or application, then just go to the transfers and then tap on send money and then wire transfer. And then a new recipient using the crypto.com wire details. It will show you the routing number, account number, bank name, crypto.com as a recipient if listed. And step number five is complete the transfer. So you just have to enter the amount that you want to send, review all the details carefully, and then tap on send to complete the wire transfer. So the Bank of America may require 2FA like SMS or app confirmation. So you just have to confirm all of those. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!